Good morning to one and all present here. In this video, we are going to discuss about Unit 3 of Wearable Devices. The topic for Unit 3 is wireless health systems. First topic is need for wireless monitoring. Then definition of body area network. In short, they have represented as BAN, and use of BAN in healthcare. What are the technical challenges? Example like system security and regarding reliability. Then we are going to discuss about BAN architecture, introduction to that one, then wireless communication technique. So the first topic is need for wireless monitoring. Wireless communication technology and wearable health monitoring systems are inexorably linked, as wireless capability allow devices worn by ambulatory patient, that is moving patient, to share data, that is often power, in real time with other wireless nodes. Such systems incur little to no cost in terms of patient device interaction and are dramatic improvement over traditional store and forward wearable monitoring devices such as Holter monitors. In addition, the ad hoc networking functionality supported by emerging plug and play wireless standard point to the inevitable reality of patient environments that host pervasive networks of wireless healthcare devices, whose primary role is to increase their quality of life. Clearly, the realization of these wireless tools doesn't come without cost. Wires that may have once provided high data throughput and access to power, data storage, and processing resources are no longer available. The engineering challenge is therefore to incorporate adequate power, data storage, and processing capabilities on the wireless devices to balance the throughput and operational lifetime needs of the monitoring application. Concurrently, one must consider security issues associated with broadcasting previously local information. What are the system level considerations? Wireless communication links have been a mainstay in commercial and military domain for many years. Wearable health monitoring technologies also have a notable history of several decades in the form of devices such as electrocardiogram, ECG, Holter monitors, and accelerometer based speedometers. The merger of the two technology classes, however, is relatively recent. It was not until the mid to late 1990s that medical sensor laden body area networks, personal area network, or wireless personal area network. BAN means body area network, PAN means personal area network, WPAN means wireless personal area network. At the system level, wireless wearable system by nature imply wireless transmission range of 10 meter or less. Ad hoc network creation, plug and play interoperability, the ability to stream data from multiple sensors when needed, and the capacity to operate at very low powers level for long period of time. These requirements were not well met by traditional wireless technologies, including those that supported consumer applications such as garage door openers and television remote controls. The embedded biomedical systems community therefore started to look towards emerging standards such as Bluetooth and more recently Zigbee to meet those needs. During the same time frame, radio frequency identification RFID technologies were developed for numerous security and inventory tracking applications. Yet their promise for biomedical monitoring applications was clear. Even more recently, cell phone technology has become a focal point of discussion, as cell phones have the potential to offer both the functionality and the economy scale desired for wearable data loggers that serve as BAN hubs. Definition of body area network. A body area network BAN refers to a network of wearable or implanted devices that are attached to or integrated into the human body. These devices typically include sensors, actuators, and communication modules, allowing them to monitor physiological parameters, collect data, and interact with external systems. BANs are designed to provide continuous monitoring of vital signs and other health related information, enabling real time health tracking, disease management, and personalized healthcare. These are the definition of the body. This is about the definition of the body area network. Next we are going to see about the significance and applications of the body area network. First one is continuous health monitoring. BANs offer the ability to continuously monitor vital signs and other physiological parameters such as heart rate, blood pressure, temperature, glucose level, and oxygen saturation. This enables early detection of abnormalities and facilitates prompt medical intervention, thereby improving patient outcomes and reducing healthcare costs. Next one, disease management. BANs, Body Area Network, play a vital role in managing chronic conditions such as diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, that is, heart related diseases, and respiratory disorders. By providing real time data on patients' health status, BANs enable healthcare professionals to remotely monitor their conditions, adjust treatment plan, and provide timely interventions. This empowers patients to take control of their health and lead to more efficient disease management. Next one, personalized healthcare. Bands facilitate personalized healthcare by connecting and analyzing individual health data. This data can be used to generate insights about an individual's health pattern, identify risk factor, and provide tailored recommendation for preventive measures, lifestyle modifications, and treatment plans. BANs empower individuals to make informed decisions about their health and well-being. Emergency response and safety. BANs, that is body area network, have the potential to enhance emergency response system by providing real-time alerts and notification in critical situation. For example, if person's heart rate or blood pressure exceeds safe limits, the BAN can trigger an alarm to alert emergency responders or family members. BANs can also be used in occupational safety applications to monitor workers' vital signs and detect signs of fatigue and stress. Sports and fitness. BANs have gained popularity in sports and fitness application. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts can use bands to monitor their performance, track physical activity, measure vital signs during workouts, and assess recovery periods. This data helps optimize training regimes, prevent injuries, and improve overall fitness level. Next one, assisted living and elderly care. BANs have significant implications for assisted living and elderly care. They can monitor the health status of elderly individuals, detect falls, track medication adherence, and provide reminders for daily activities. Bans can enable aging individuals to maintain their independence while ensuring their safety and well being. Next one, human computer interaction. Body area networks can be used for human computer interaction application, enabling seamless communication and control between human and computers. For example, bands can enable gesture recognition, eye tracking, and brain computer interface, allowing individual to interact with computers and devices using natural movements or neural signals. Next one is rehabilitation and physical therapy. Bands are employed in rehabilitation and physical therapy setting to monitor patient movements, track progress, and provide real time feedback. BANs can help individuals recover from injuries or surgeries by ensuring proper exercise form, measuring range of motion, and facilitating remote monitoring and guidance from healthcare professionals. So, BANs have a significant implication in healthcare, wellness, and various other domains by providing continuous monitoring, personal insights, and real time feedback. Bands body area network empower individuals to take control of their health, enable remote healthcare delivery, and enhance the quality of life. As a technology advances and BANs become more integrated and interconnected, they hold immense potential for revolutionizing healthcare and improving overall well being. So, from the next class, we are going to discuss about body area network architecture and what are the technical challenges, then wireless communication techniques, then what are the applications of how the BAN is used in the healthcare and all. So I hope this video is very much useful for you. Uh, so we will meet you in the next lecture. Some of my reference for making these videos I have given below. First one, Analisa Bonfiglo and Dilo D. Rossi. Wearable monitoring systems, Springer 2011. Second one book is Gong Zong Yang Body Sensor Network, Springer 2006. Third one is Fundamentals of Internet of Things, IoT and Wearable Technology Design, IEEE Press, Wiley, Higher Road. Fourth one, Wearable Sensor Fundamentals, Implementations and Applications, edited by Edward Sassonovo, second edition. So, thank you for listening to this video. Thank you, Nando.